If your dog had a toothache, would you know? And if their gums were receding and causing pain, could you tell? Probably not. Your loving companion might not be able to tell you that they're in pain verbally, but that doesn't mean everything is okay. As shocking as it is, dental disease is one of the leading diseases among pets and often ushers the way to more severe complications. In this video, we'll explore the dental health of your dog and the easiest ways to help maintain proper dental health and keep them away from disease. So, let's get started. Many dog owners don't pay too much attention to their pet's oral hygiene when they really should. According to a study, periodontal or gum disease is the most common disease in adult dogs. It's estimated that most dogs show early signs of gum disease when they're 3 years old. The most common early sign of dental disease is bad breath, and owners often overlook it because they simply assume that bad breath is something very normal with dogs. But it's not. Of course, your dog's breath might not be as fresh as a mint, but it shouldn't be bad enough to make you gag. If you notice your dog's breath often has a terrible odor, it's time to take their dental health seriously. Gum diseases are not mild. They can cause severe health issues for your canine companion, so it's essential to maintain regular oral hygiene. If you don't take care of or treat it, dental diseases can cause tooth loss, leading to painful abscesses and systemic infections in your dog's entire body. Not just this, but it can lead to many severe complications. Promoting inflammation throughout the body. Your pup can develop an inflammatory reaction called gingivitis. Gingivitis can cause redness and swelling accompanied by bad breath and bleeding gums. This bacteria infection develops from plaque buildup, bacteria growth in the mouth's small corners, in between the gums and teeth. This bacteria causes the immune system to create inflammation, which can be painful for your dog, and slowly it can affect the other body organs. Dental disease in dogs can worsen diabetes. Did you know that dental disease can lead to diabetes? That's right. Not only can it worsen other health issues, but those same health issues can worsen your pup's oral health as well. Though it's not always possible to determine which came first, diabetes or periodontal disease, infection, and inflammation associated with periodontal disease can affect your dog's blood sugar metabolism. It reduces the body's sensitivity to insulin, the primary hormone in blood sugar regulation. If your dog already has issues with their teeth, diabetes will make its condition even worse. It will be more complicated to treat your dog's diabetes if they're also fighting dental disease. One more important thing to add before we go into our dental care section. Dogs hardly show signs of dental pain. Even with cracked teeth or periodontal disease that damages gums across the teeth, your dog would probably eat as if nothing is bothering them, and they'll play with you, wiggle their tail happily when you return home, and behave like the same dog you know and love. Your companion may be in chronic pain, but will you be able to find it? Why? Because dogs have evolved not to show such chronic pain. Their animal instinct is to hide weakness. Here's what you should know about treating dental pain in dogs. You can start by giving them dog treats or something to chew. There are hundreds of types of dog treats or chews, and almost all of them have teeth-cleaning contents. Besides range, chewing benefits your dog's oral health regardless of what they're chewing. A study shows that dogs who chew materials exhibit less gingival inflammation and less oral bone loss compared to dogs who don't chew. Gnawing on items takes plaque off your dog's teeth, and many completely natural chews made from meat contain enzymes that greatly benefit dental health. Chews like bully sticks, cow ears, and chicken strips are excellent ways to keep your dogs joyous and healthy. If you're looking for something with no calories, long-lasting nylon or rubber dog chew toys do the job. Are you looking for the best natural dog treat out there? Check out Greenie's Original Regular Natural Dental Dog Treats. It has the necessary vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients for medium dogs. Its unique texture cleans it down to the gum line to fight plaque and tartar and freshen breath. It's recommended and accepted by the Veterinary Oral Health Council for at-home oral care. So treat your dog deliciously with the great taste of Greenie's Original Dental Treats and keep them away from disease. You can find the link in the description below. Treating dental hygiene in dogs is as simple as brushing their teeth. Brushing your dog's teeth might sound stupid, but a study shows that frequently brushing can effectively prevent plaque and dental calculus by reducing the severity of pre-existing dental conditions. Researchers also found that brushing daily or every other day significantly improves the results compared with brushing weekly or every other week. Most dogs aren't too kind to the idea at first. Don't worry, you can easily train your dog to have its teeth brushed just like you would have its nails trimmed. There are many options that you can choose when brushing your dog's teeth. First, you'll want to have toothpaste made particularly for dogs. This is because toothpaste made for humans has toxic ingredients for our pets. Dog toothpaste mostly comes in peanut butter or delicious chicken flavor. The second thing is, you can either work with a dog toothbrush or a brush that fits over your fingertip. You may also want to consider adding dental powder to your dog's meals. You can add flavored dental powder to your dog's food. It's very easy to apply and should be used for each meal your dog eats. It has probiotics that help maintain healthy bacteria in your dog's mouth and, at the same time, destroys plaque-building bacteria. It also prevents tartar or hard calcified deposits that coat the teeth and gums. Try planning a diet for your dog's healthy teeth. There's not one perfect diet for all dogs. Your veterinarian can help you determine the proper diet for your dog. If your dog has issues with plaque buildup, there are unique formula dry dog foods that control plaque and tartar. Some dog food companies make clinically proven prescription dental foods that help prevent or reduce dental disease. As your dog chews the food, the kibble cleans the surface of its teeth, and by doing so, it decreases tartar buildup. Some kibbles contain bacteria-killing properties that help to prevent tartar and plaque from forming. Routine dental cleanings are the most important steps to maintaining your dog's oral hygiene. You can try your best at home by brushing your pup's teeth or giving them something to chew, but nothing's better than doing a deep dental clean at the vet. Even if your pet has healthy teeth, it's never a bad idea to go to the vet and perform these routine cleanings. These cleanings aim to sweep any plaque and tartar buildup, clean the gum line, and polish your dog's teeth. Depending on the size and age of your dog, you should always take them in for routine cleanings twice a year, and after, it's good practice to keep an eye out for any broken, discolored teeth. Also, keep an eye out for any foul smells, especially if it starts to smell bad within 1 to 2 months after cleaning. Be cautious if your dog is bleeding in the water bowl or while playing with a chew toy. Frequently check for any lumps or bumps in or around your dog's mouth, especially if swelling is present on one side but not the other. Be alert if there's a sudden resistance to toothbrushing. Also, never take things lightly, like your pet turning away from food or chattering jaws when your dog eats. If you see any problems while caring for your dog's teeth, contact your veterinarian immediately. Your pet may be in pain and needs emergency oral care. Dental care can be a task for humans and dogs, but proper care and attention can save your dog and your money in the long run. Not paying much attention will only lead you to costly and often painful vet visits down the road. Many dogs have to be given anesthesia to have their gums and teeth cleaned if the issue's bad enough, so to avoid that, keep your dog's mouth clean, and you'll both be smiling. Care to learn more about dogs? Watch 12 human foods that are actually good for your dog, or 9 foods that will kill your dog. Click one, or why not both, to keep the conversation going. Are you a pet owner and have some tips to share? Let us know in the comments below.